Welcome guys to today's class in chemistry. In this video, we want to look into how to balance redox equation in acidic medium. Now, from the word redox, it means reduction and oxidation. Now, when you talk about redox equation, it simply means an equation that has both reduction and oxidation. That is to say, it is a reaction that involves reduction and what? Oxidation. Now, we want to recall to ourselves some points we know about reduction and some points we know about oxidation. First, reduction can be defined as a process of what? Adding hydrogen or removing oxygen. It can also be defined, that is, reduction can also be defined as a process of gaining of electron. It can also be defined as a process of what? Reduction in oxidation number, that is, decrease in oxidation number. Now come to oxidation. Oxidation can be defined as a process of adding oxygen and removing hydrogen. It can also be defined as a process of increase in oxidation number, and it can also be defined as a process of losing electron. We have seen the definition of reduction and oxidation. Now I want to recall that acidic medium means a medium that has hydrogen ion, and so we'll be using hydrogen ion and water to do the balancing. Okay, now in this we need to sort out which one is our reduction half equation and which one is our oxidation half equation. We need to sort it out. And how do we do that? It's by using the definition we just gave now to sort it out. That oxidation means increase in what? Oxidation number. Now between this and this, which one have increase in oxidation number? This one. But do you know the valency of this? No. That means you need to sort out what is the valency of this manganese. How do you do that? The valency of this, or the oxidation number of this, is 2 plus. We need to get the valency oxidation number of manganese. Here, make manganese subject of formula as X. Oxygen, the oxidation number is minus 2 times 4 minus 8 equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 plus 8. X equal to 7. That means the oxidation number of valency of manganese is 7. I'll put plus 7. Now, you will notice here that this manganese, which is plus 7, coming to this side, it reduces. The valency reduces. At this, we say this is reduction half equation. Whereas this one, coming to this, it increase. This is oxidation half equation. Yes, we have succeeded to know our reduction half equation and oxidation half equation using the principle that oxidation means increase in oxidation number or valency, and reduction means decrease in oxidation number of valency. Here plus 7, here now plus 2. Next thing to do is to bring out this reduction equation and oxidation equation. I'll bring out this. I'm bringing out the oxidation half equation first. I will say that this means SN2 plus to be giving you SN4 plus. When you see SN4 plus, that means this thing lost 4 electrons. It lost 4 electrons. SN2 plus means thing lost what? 2 electrons. How can this get to this? You say that means this thing that lost 4 electrons must gain 2 electrons. It must collect 2 electrons. Once it collect 2 electrons, it will be giving you that it is only 2 electrons it lost. Here it lost 4 electrons, but when it gains 2 electrons, it will now mean that it's only 2 electrons that it's losing. Now, we also balance the charges. Here it has total charge of 2 plus, oxidation number of 2 plus, while here it has charge of 4, 2 times minus 2, charge of 2. That means the charges are also balanced as well. Now, that means when you see something like this without oxygen in it, that means you are not using hydrogen and water to do the balancing. You only balance it in a normal way. Now, let's go to the next equation, that is this reduction half equation. We say that is MnO4 to give you Mn2 plus. I give space here in case of anything that I will write here. Now, we noted here that this one is polyatomic anion. This is just a cation. Because there is oxygen here, first thing you have to do is to balance it the other side with water. Yes, because there is oxygen, 4 oxygen. Now, because there is 4 oxygen, I will put 4 here. 4 oxygen, I've balanced this. That will now result that we have 8 hydrogen, and there is no hydrogen here. I will say plus 8 hydrogen ion. Do you get it? Now, I've balanced it. Next thing is to balance the charges. Once you balance the equation, balance the charge and see whether it's balanced. This is a polyatomic anion, and so the charge is -1. I will write -1. This is 8 hydrogen plus. 8 times plus will give me plus 8, giving me plus 7 total. Here, this is a molecule. This is a molecule. Any molecule, any compound, any gas, the oxidation number is said to be 0. So here 2 plus 0, everything will be 2. But here, this is plus 7. The total this thing here is 7, while the total here is 2. What do we mean by this 7? Let's call everything here our X, and it's having charge of plus 7, while this one is our S, having charge of plus 2. How can we make X with charge of plus 7 to resemble X, charge of plus 2? Plus 7 means it lost 7 electrons. So, how many electrons is it to collect to get it that is now losing only 2 electrons? That means it has to collect 5 electrons. It has to gain 5 electrons. Once it gains 5 electrons, it will now be losing only 2 electrons. I will now say plus 5 electrons. Plus 5 electrons means it's now losing only 2 electrons, because when it gains 5, only 2 will now be losing. It's now losing only 2 electrons because it has gained 5 to take care of this 7 to reduce it to 2. Now this is 2, this is 2. We can say that we have taken care of this side. Then afterwards, we have succeeded to balance it even with their charges. We have balanced it even with the charges. Now, next thing to do is carry this 5 to multiply the up. 5 times OHE will imply. Next thing is carry this 5 to multiply all the oxidation half reaction. 5 times this will be giving you 5 SN2 plus 5 SN4 plus 10 electron. Then these 2 will multiply the down one. So 2 times reduction half equation. That will be giving you 2 times this 2MnO4 minus plus 2 times this 16 hydrogen ion plus 2 times this 10 electron to give you 2 times this 2Mn2 plus 2 times this plus 8 water. Now add up what you have. Add up the 2 sides. This plus this and this plus this. Here will be giving you 5SN2 plus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 16 hydrogen plus 10 electron to give you 2Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5Sm4 plus 10 electrons. Now this will minus this. Let's check whether everything is balanced. 5 tin, 5 tin, 2 manganese, 16 hydrogen, 16 hydrogen, 2 times 4, 8 oxygen, 8 oxygen. In terms of this, it is balanced. Then in terms of charges, 5 times 2, 10, plus 2 times minus 2, 2 times minus 2, 16 times plus 16. That will be giving you 24. Here, this is 4 plus, now oxidation of this is 0, or charge of this is 0. Then this is 5 times 4, 20, that is 24. With this, you can also see that the charges are also balanced. Now what you do is you write your final answer to show that you are done. This is 5Sn2 plus 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus to give me 2Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 5Sn4 plus. Yes, we will now say it is balanced. So we have succeeded to balance it in acidic medium. In next video, we will see how to balance in basic medium or alkaline medium. Thanks for watching.